Hi, I'm Sirius Signal with Sirius Signal. In this video, we are going to share the new nighttime distress signal options just approved by Transport Canada for Canadian pleasure craft. Transport Canada now recognizes the RTCM standard 13200 for a two-color electronic visual distress signal as a compliant device in Canadian waters that can replace pyrotechnic flares. Pyrotechnic flares burn at a temperature of nearly 3,000 degrees for a short period of time. They are very hard to ship, store, and dispose of in a safe and environmentally friendly way. In Canada, instead of pyrotechnic marine flares, Pleasurecraft can use a safe handheld electronic visual distress signal device. This new generation of SOS signal device lasts for hours and flashes an intense two-color combination of red, orange, and cyan light. Additionally, they emit a separate SOS signal pattern in the infrared wavelength for search aircraft above. Canadian search and rescue authorities are trained and now recognize the red, orange, cyan two-color SOS flashing signal. The C-1002, as with all approved for carriage eVDSDs, must carry a label which states, complies with RTCM standard 13200. When an approved eVDSD is carried in combination with orange smoke, all distress signal requirements are met.